Nothing says South African like a Ford Bakkie. We see them everywhere around the country, particularly in Pretoria, but hey, I'm not one to judge. The car manufacturer aims to make a statement with its new Ford Ranger FX4, a new stylish bakkie that boasts some incredible new details both inside and outside of the vehicle. For starters, it now has a load of black finishes throughout the vehicle, including its 18-inch black alloy wheels, extended leg tubular sports bar, and the inside includes some gorgeously detailed stitched leather that wraps across the dash and the soft touch steering wheel. Not only does the Ford Ranger FX4 include some hefty engine power thanks to its new 2.0-litre single-turbo diesel engine, which provides 132 kilowatts of power and 420 newton meters of torque, but the car's smart features aim to set a new standard when it comes to its new Ford Pass app. Using the app, users can command the vehicle to do all sorts of things, including start, stop, unlock, lock the doors, and even find where they parked it if you somehow lose it. Let's not lie, we've all done this once before. The Ford Pass also grants users instant access to Ford's roadside assistance should you ever break down. Users can also register their Ford Ranger FX4 with a family member's app so they too can make use of the stop-start feature and extra safety measures that come alongside the app. Ford says that they plan on bringing loads of new features to the Ford Pass app for the Ranger FX4 in the future, thanks to the car's built-in eSIM and over-the-air updates. The Ford Pass also works hand in hand with the company's well-known Sync 3 system and provides Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as part of the multimedia and connectivity features. This is done through the two USB ports in the car. This makes it easy to access your Spotify, Apple Music, Maps, and so much more. But the Ford Ranger FX4 is not just a pretty face. Under the hood, users can expect to find some impressive systems which drive the car's performance. The Progressive Range Select feature gives the driver the ability to lock out certain gears from the automatic shifting range by simply pressing the plus or minus button on the gear lever. This grants users greater control over their driving conditions under certain circumstances. Users can also make use of the pretty awesome hill descent feature that uses the traction control technology with anti-lock brakes to help control slippage when driving down a hill. Users just need to enable the feature, take their foot off the brake, and the car does the rest. Of course, the Ford Ranger FX4 comes with all the bells and whistles you need, including traction control, rollover mitigation, adaptive load control, trailer way control, ABS brakes, electronic brake force distribution, and emergency brake assist. All this along with the full set of airbags, which now include a dual front driver's knee airbag and full-length curtain airbags, ensure the Ford Ranger FX4 is also extremely safe.